race fans, and welcome to the GTGP. I'm your host Dave, and today we have the Truckin Good Time event, Truck Picker. So let's check it out and let's see who got who. Alright guys, as you can see we have the randomizer 5000, which has a whole list of names in it, which I will shake up, and there we go, the Car Picker 2.0 for those of you who can't read my handwriting. So there we go, we've got the Car Picker box right there and the randomizer with all the 16 teams. Alright, so we're going to pick from the trucks first. We'll pick the names first, and then we'll pick a truck to match. So we're basically just going to go random. Whatever I pull out is whatever anyone gets. So we'll give this a bit of a shake up. Okay. Wonderful noise right there. Open it back up. Alright. Okay, so there's the randomizer 5000. And now for the cars, as you can see, I'll just show for proof. Look at them, they're all over the place. And I will basically just pick whatever comes out first. So let's do this. And the first name to come out of the box is... Oh, here we go. Who do we have? Oh! Mad Carthos, Raging Buffalo Racing. So he is the first selection. And the car he will be driving is... he has got... There we go. If I bring the camera properly, there we go. He's got the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. So a very big truck for Mad Carthos right there. So congratulations, you are number one, and you got the very first pick. So we'll put you aside. All right, let's go again. Number two, it is Ego, HFA Motor Club from the United States of America. All right, Ego, let's see what you will be racing. And you will be racing the 19 Chevy Silverado Trial Boss LT. Very, very nice truck right there. All right, so that is number two. Now, that means in the first round, it will be Ego versus Mad Carthos. So congratulations, guys. You are number one and two. All right, so let's check out who will be number three. All right, we have... Oh, if I can open up their name properly. Bolo Brown from Miniature Car Racing in the United States. So, let's see, you will be driving the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Very nice pickup there for number three. So Bolo Brown in the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Well done. All right, so let's find out who your competitor will be. And it will be Sharky from Vulcan Raceway in Cambridgeshire, England. All right, Sharky, let's see what you are driving. You will be driving the 67 Jeepster Commando. Very, very nice 4x4 right there. So there is matchup number two. Sharky versus Bolo Brown. So let's go again for the next one. We have, there it is, John Rakuva. Sorry for my English language right there, I'm terrible. Jack, John and Katie Racing in the United States. And you will be racing, oh, my personal pick, I like it, the 19 Ford Ranger Raptor. Good old Ford performance right there, built tough. All right, congratulations, John. So Let me just make a little touch of room here because there isn't a lot of space. Okay. Let's see who you will be taking on. All right. All right, we have Storm Trooperson from Hotbox Match Wheels in Australia. And you will be driving, oh, very nice, the 20 Jeep Gladiator. Very, very nice selection right there. Storm Trooperson. So Storm Trooperson versus John Rakuva. And once again, I apologise for butchering your last name. All right, up next, we have Moose from GTGP Racing USA. And you will be racing, ooh, the Chevy Blazer 4x4. Very nice. As I just restack everything out the way. Okay, Moose, you will be taking on, there's one fill out. You will be taking on one of our brand new competitors. It is Disgruntled Bob, representing the Lonely Wives Club in Australia. And let's see what you will be driving. Ooh, nice pick. It is the 15 Ford F-150. Very, very nice pick there, Disgruntled Bob. This should be a very, very good matchup. All right, up next. We're in the halfway mark now, so let's see who we got. It is Triple B, Cheap Thrills Racing USA. And your car will be the 17 Ford F-150 Raptor. Very, very nice pick. Very nice truck. Good work, Triple B. All right, Triple B will be taking on, let's grab that one right there. Oh, it's one of our very own. It is James Sterling from SGX Racing. All right, Mr. James Sterling, let's see. We're at the bottom end of the pack. We're getting very, very low. Ooh, old school. You'll be racing the 87 Dodge D100. Very nice selection there, Mr. James Sterling. All right. Oh, pardon me. All right, let's go again. Let's give it a quick little mixy mix. And we will grab this one. All right. It is Scooter Randwell representing Spirit of 64 in the US of A. Let's see what we got for you. We have the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Ooh. Bit of a beefy beast right there. So congratulations, Scooter Roundwell. Nice pick. Nice pick. All right. We'll do the right thing. I won't grab the first. I'll grab whatever I pull out, which will be... it's another one of our new competitors. Bubbles McGee, representing Mad Paws in Australia. So you will be driving... Ooh, the Land Rover Series 3 pickup. Very old school right there. Even got a spare tyre in the back. Look at that. So when you break down, you can replace your tyre. Hopefully that doesn't happen mid-race, but stranger things happen. So Bubbles McGee, congratulations. All right, up next. So we have 4 cars. That means we've got 4 names left. So let's see who the second last are. We have Mark Taylor from Riley's Racing DRC, and you will have... Oh, you ended up with the 17 Jeep Wrangler. Very nice pick there. Congratulations, Mark Taylor. And you will be taking on... Let's see who you will be taking on. Ooh, one of the big boys. You'll be taking on Vman from Norm and Vern Racing Canada. Now, Norm and Vern, or Vman I should say, sorry, you will be racing the 87 Dodge D100, the silver variant this time. And you have a spare wheel on the back for when you break down as well. Inevitably. But anyway, congratulations, V-Man. All right, now we're down to 2. So, here we go, guys. The last 2 names. All right, so we will take this one. So we have Matthew Harding from WCDC Racing Team in New Zealand. And there is only 2 cars left, so you will be driving. Let's just throw them around a little bit. There we go. All right, you have the red 19 Ford Ranger Raptor. Very nice. So congratulations, Matthew Harding. And last but not least, we have John Ginn from Roseburn Avenue in Singapore. And you have the very last car, which is the 67 Jeepster Commando. So, congratulations, everybody. As we have a look, there is all the race cars, all the head-to-heads. All right. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching, and we will catch you next time right here on the GTGP. Stay tuned for Truckin Good Time.